Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and today in the session we will understand the job responsibility of the logistic manager. Okay, so there is a job requirement in the company name DD International which is located in the Gurgaon, and experience required for this job post is 5 year plus. Okay, so this is the Rise Export company and head office is located in the Gurgaon and the factory is located in the different state in the India. Okay, so HR of this company is asking for, we are looking for a dynamic and experienced logistic manager. Okay, so dynamics means that the person is not lakir ka fakir, but the person have a new ability to adapt the new conditions. Okay, with experience. Okay, and person need to oversee the logistic, shipping and export operation for our FMCG company in Gurgaon. Okay, so person need to handle this activity from the head office and coordination with the plant location. Okay, so person who will be responsible for this managing all aspect of the logistic and shipping process. Okay, so for the job post, the person have a person will responsible for managing all the requirement and planning of the logistic and shipping process, including the documentation of the export, tracking of the shipment, and the coordination with the internal and external stakeholder. Okay, so export document need to be prepared just like for the export shipment. The document required for the custom clearance purpose set need to be prepared. Okay, then shipment need to be tracked. Okay, because that buyer requirement to check what is the shipment real-time location. So shipment need to be tracked, go through the website of the shipping line and insert the container number and track the shipment and share with the buyer. And also coordination with the internal and external stakeholder. So who is the internal stakeholder? Which is the like a production team, packing team, logistic team, okay, procurement team, and the external stakeholder like a CHA, freight forwarder and other government agencies which require for the export like custom authority, DGF team and CHA and freight forwarder. The ideal candidate should have a minimum experience required for that 5 to 7 year experience in this logistic and export documentation within the FMCG sector. Okay, the person who working currently and have experience for 5 to 7 years can join this job. Okay, now key responsibility. So what are the key responsibility? Logistic and shipping. So key responsibility in the logistic and shipping management: oversee and manage all aspect of the logistic. Okay, person need to be look after the all aspect, means that all conditions for the logistic management. Okay, so like for export purpose, container need to be reported to the factory for the stuffing. So person is responsible to arrange the container, empty container for the dispatch from at a factory location. Okay, so all aspect, any conditions, because that any planning is given for the complete location. So this planning need to be fulfilled at any cost. Okay, like a transporter is not arranging the containers, transporter not having the empty trailer to pick the container from the shipping yard to factory. So in such condition need to be talked with the different transporters. So this all aspect include in this activities. Okay, then planning. So planning just like the planning of dispatch. Today is the 10 container. So before one day, the candidate need to be intimate to the CH and freight forwarder to report the 10 container at the next day for the dispatch. So this is the planning. In this planning, candidate need to ensure the container size, container booking it correctly. Okay, and coordination with the transporter, and also monitoring the shipment to ensure timely and cost-effective delivery. Okay, so shipment need to be monitored in this aspect. the timely container is going to the traveling or not. Okay, what is the actual location of the shipment. Okay, here the time ensure the timely, just like the container we dispatch from the factory to seaport. Okay, so in this, how much time taking container? If container is taking much time, then follow with the CHA that what is the actual problem, why taking much time. And cost effective delivery. Okay, the cost effective delivery means that cost need to be reduced. Timely do all the activity so that cost will not impact on the shipment. Like if you arrange the container to your factory, but your packing team saying that goods are not ready yet, so this may impact the detention of the transport truck. Okay, then manage shipping and the transportation operation. Okay, so shipping operation and transportation operation, like taking booking from the shipping line with the help of freight forwarder or directly. Then transporter need to arrange, so take with a different transporter, rate and as per service level appoint to them. Okay, and the selection of the negotiation with the shipping line and freight forwarder. So this is very important activity in which you need to oversee the all activities. Like you need to take the rate from the different shipping line, rate from the different freight forwarder, and negotiate with them. Okay, just like you receive the force freight shipping line charges and for freight forwarder. So best charges need to be check out and get approval from the management. Then ensure proper warehousing and storage of the product. Okay, here you also need to check out that product is properly warehousing or not. Okay, because that product may impact, or if you not store right place, then it will be product will be damaged. Damage means that it will not useful. Then storage of the product need to be keep in mind that properly store this product. Okay, because you know that this first you need to procure from the farmer and then you have to refine it, then you can export. So storage is very important in this activity. Working closely with the warehouse team and maintain the inventory level. You have to work with the warehouse team, because that you have received order of the 100 container in the next 25 days. Okay, then you have to check out whether inventory is available or not. So you have to closely work with the warehouse team. Okay, so guys, in this first part we have understand the key responsibility for this job post, but in the next session we will cover the balance activity, which is candidate responsible for do these activities. Okay, so guys, we are just going this end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.